Excuse me. Excuse me. Do you know where the leaf is? No, because there's no fucking leaf!
We should go here for the photo shoot. In front of that blue house. That'd be sick.
It's just like a courtyard of houses here, dude. And look at these manicured fucking
look at this
trees and bushes. And it's like a little beaver. You got it? He's like holding a little cub. There are no cars out, so we're leaping statues right now.
Dude, there's like security all over.
Do I just like go through these motherfuckers, or?
I guess. 356 GT. There's other cars that were behind there, so it's not a big deal.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's really nice. Is that a fucking...
He's like, oh my god, what the fuck?
I want to see a Ferrari on the track.
Let's do it. Oh, they're gone. Wait, there's more coming.
Yeah.
Ontario SLR.
And the 458.
And I'm touching
And a sick cop car. Somehow Adam has managed to finagle a shoot with the king. Here we go. Showtime, boy. Showtime.
I'm so stressed.
You guys like that fucking... That's what you guys do for your regular job, right? Yeah, basically. What do you guys do for your regular? You guys go out? But then they reminded me it might be stolen there, so I said I better.
Mid-level Ferraris sit in traffic.
We're gonna do a quick loop here, and there's Ben Chen. Up.
Why are there two cops? Because why wouldn't
Because
there
they don't give a fuck, dude. Cops here don't give a fuck.
We're leaping Bentleys.
There is no leap in Palm Beach! Leave immediately!
There's the leap right there.
That's disgusting, Adam. Please put the camera down. Please do it, dude.
He's
He didn't
not
even go.
moving.
Hey, he's gonna do a pull. He's gonna do a pull.
Oh, that's a nice pool. Oh, that's a sweet, sweet pool. That is a...
Wow.
Dude, Sparky and Ben,
Ben's not out
they're
though.
not
Ben's
even
just
from
around.
this state, and they're saving the.
Oh, there's leap. There's leap.
That's disgusting.
Dude, that is.
Z06, Huracan, and 458.
Oh, are you a car spotter? No, because there's no cars to spot.
Oh shit.
Probably That's a decent crash.
That is a pretty decent crash.
We just did a shoot with Sparky a few hours ago, and we were talking to him, and he's like, he was
Oh
sending.
man. Yep, you can see it. Yeah, dude, that looks bad.
Yeah, I was like right in front of me. Dude, the poor guy. He's like a young guy.
He's right there, right?
I think that, like,
Look at him, look at him run,
He
dude.
just ran in front of the cop. The cop had to like stop.
yeah, that's what they do. They fuck back and forth, and you know, you're in such a rush.
Yeah, it's just relaxed, dude.
The run slow. You can take it a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, look, I'm gonna zoom in on this.
They're light painting.
Yeah, that's done. I don't know.
You got yours? Yeah, everyone's on. Everyone's on.
Oh yeah, we put all the signatures back there.
You know what?
Back there, yeah. The signatures back there. Yeah, okay.
Here you go. Here you go.
All right.
They're making 20, but let's see. So I got the. It's almost like
Custom cup holders.
I'm taking it to you. Should be hard. All right.
These are the best two cars in the fucking world.
That's true.
That's some tag the sponsorship, boy.
Different personal traits to it. This is the only one that's a cup holder. He has a custom cup holder.
Bro, what the fuck is he doing? What is he showing?
P1. He's showing a P1. That's how hard he loves P1s. He's literally Googling P1s to show them how much better they are.
I can't handle it anymore, bro.
Here we go. Here we go.
Look.
That's the first time they're seeing a P1.
Get that photo, dude. Get the fucking photo. Get that shit, dude. Oh,
Got it.
fuck. Get some more, bro. Get some more, bro.
It's just, it looks like
That's funny, dude. There's some funny shit.
Something like in my
If you stand to the to where I am right now, I might get a better angle.
There's something like in that.
So what did he say? He's like, that cup holder is not a $45,000 option. She is.
Yeah.
That's like tag the sponsorship. Tag the sponsor shit.
Dude, that was sick, dude.
That was-
Respect, though. He put her on blast, and she was like, "Oh, I'm a cheap hooker now."
She said that?
No, it's probably what she's thinking. She's probably like, "Damn, I should have charged $45,000." Look at these guys; they got $45,000 cup holders. Fuck, think nothing.
Fuck you, Adam.
Yeah,
Seriously. Dude, can we just go home?
I'm gonna move. I'm gonna stay right here.
A couple minutes. That was a couple minutes ago. All right, go.